So hey everyone, in last class we had seen about the bouncing ball animation, and in this class we will see how we are going to import a Photoshop file with all its layers and how we're gonna animate it. Basically in this lesson you will see how you will learn to animate a car. Okay, then first of all let's import the file. For that I will just double click over here or simply press Ctrl plus I. And now over here I had already located my files. So over here this is the Photoshop file which I have already created over here. I will just select it and press import. And after that what you have to do is select in import kind is composition written layer size. And after that in layer option just just tick this editable layer style. After that, you will find there is a new composition already created with your Photoshop file settings. After double clicking it, you will see on your After Effects screen. Now here, each and everything is in different layers. So for that, I have to rig them first. So for that, I will use a simple technique in After Effects is parent-child relation. Now for that, I need one more thing is I need a null object, which is basically it's a nothing but just a controller thing. So for that, I just simply right click new and clicked on null object. This object will help me to link all its object as a parent thing. So just select all of this, but before let me select all and link with null object. After that, you will see the whole thing is moving with this null object. Now, what you have to do is animate them also and wheels also. So for that, first of all, what I have to do is select the both wheels, press R for rotation and hit one key over here. And at the end point, like I need to animate this for only for 10 seconds. But before animating that, let me change the composition setting a bit, because it created a composition with the help of with the information of Photoshop data. Now I want to change them. So for that, over this area, just simply right click and go in composition setting. And first I need to change its page size, like its video size. So I will change it to 1920 by 1080 and change its frame rate to 25 fps and change its like frame duration to 10 seconds and hit OK, and you will see the timeline is cropped to 10 seconds and my video size is increased. Now what you have to do is this. Let me lock this with the help of this lock option so that it's not select. In null object I will just animate them. So I will keep my car over here like this, and now I will start animating. So I was animating its wheel, so I had already put a key at the start frame, and at end frame we'll just keep it to around like 0 and just keep it rotation to around 10. Similarly over here 10. If you'll see, the wheels were moving. Now I need this body to move like this so that you feel the car is moving. For that I will use a simple position option, position key, and at a frame interval of around 1 second I will keep it a bit up, and at 2 seconds I will just copy this first key, Control C, and paste it over here with Control V. So you'll see it's like moving like a real car. And now let's continue this, Control C, Control V, Control V. And now let's play this. So it's working fine now, it's looking good. But now there's one more thing which I need to show you, is that about keyframes. It's like easy in and easy out. That means to show that I will use another layer like this. and create a simple ball. Let me just change its anchor point to center with the help of snapping. And now let me just position over here. It's 2 frame. Keep it like this. So now if you see, if I play animate, it's simply move like this. I just decrease its duration. But there is like a simple straightforward animation. But if I just simply right click at this key point and set it to easy ease, then you will see something like it stops very slowly. To show the difference, I will just simply duplicate this layer. So for that, I will just simply press Ctrl plus D to duplicate layer and keep the first animation as it is. And let me just then see the difference between the two keys. One is the without easy in and one is with the easy ease. You'll see a difference that it's the first key which don't have any easy ease is going straight, but one which have the easy ease is stopping very smoothly. This is basically to make your animation so smooth and perfect. We use easy ease and easy in. Easy ease, easy in, easy out. Okay. Now, after that, what I have to do is at every frame interval, I need this to be easy ease. So for that, I will just simply select this and press F9. Similarly over here, 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 and here. Now, perfectly, it's moving so perfect. And now, for the shadow, what I have to do is I have to animate it also. So for that, I will just keep it like scale like this. So at the point when the car goes up, the shadow scales a bit down. So now I will just scale position it like keel it like a normal one, and at 1 second I will decrease it a bit down. Now copy this, Control C, and now Control V, Control V. So now what you see is this, the car is animated so good, and now we need to put an environment in the background so we can see it more realistic. So I already had created an image over here, so let me just import it, and bottom I'll just keep it like this, and let me scale it a bit like this. And with the help of position, we'll just move it like this. Now you will see it's moving like this. So with this speed, it's going slow, I know, but you can change its animation and position also with that. So if you just simply go over here, it's 5. So now you will have learn how to create the animation like this with the help of Photoshop files and simple JPG images. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.